another small video from the eruption site. You see here a guy, he took a chair with him and he's just sitting on the chair watching volcanoes cinema free of charge. No, it's a girl. People moved here because it's less wind here on this side next to the live cam, because there's more wind on the other side. Here Spanish speaking people. On the top I heard Norwegian spoken, Italian on the way I heard, German next to the lava field, French I heard today spoken here, Russian I heard today, all kinds of languages, so people from all over the world here really. Okay, collapse. Part of the wall collapsed. I didn't manage to catch it, but it just slided over a big chunk of the wall over there. You see this thing? It fell from the volcano wall. I didn't manage to catch it. I saw it, I wasn't fixed on the volcano when it happened. This wall fell over. It's pretty big chunk of the wall. I'll fly drone now and we will see it better from the drone. Now it's kind of blocking the volcano a little bit. Hopefully it will melt, and it should melt because it's pretty hot lava. Now you see this chunk is just standing inside of the wall. It's separated from the wall and drop it inside, and is it kind of now a bit maybe blocking the activity. I don't know. Separated from here. Okay, pretty. Now we have those jets. I didn't see such jets before, like, and they can get quite big sometimes. You see? And they're quite noisy. Okay, now it was another explosion I could hear. Pity I didn't catch that collapse. It was quite spectacular.